me better the figgy gunshot. Put your pull the trigger with regret a listen love song. Tell my sister be careful. Tell my daughter is straight full of weird youth. My girl me not perfect but no play lows. And them not just like we, them look like police in a plain suit. Me know demons will look like Saint too. Me know boy we a smile with them enemy. Put him girl in a shallow grave. Spanish don't want them medicine. We see them a beat woman and I shoot enemies. Look, one back don't carry no member where Jerry Dwayne. But she passed me the big belly 17. And you girl have them top secret like KFC recipe. Listen to the anthem, we no radar. And we no beat up woman, we kill a raper. To all the place at me tell me sister don't wave to strangers. I'm a buy big black car round and a pretty like Las Vegas. We no like pedophile or murder if we ever hold one in our area. Yo, Spanish don't want them medicine. We see them a beat woman and I shoot enemies. Yo, one box don't carry a no member where Jerry Dwayne. But she passed me the big belly 17. And you girl have them top secret like KFC recipe. Bad charge, house not too safe cause like can't pick girl. Don't make them friend you up with lobster and fish. Bitches sell even no sec like can't chip. No care the sun bright, it no stop darkness. If you want can somebody go tax artist. And don't get red eye if you chop lot things. Get a big Joe, no think about self drinks. Don't quick for this a girl like this a man. That I no murderer or fisherman. We go on, if she take you long till I feature cab. If woman cheap on me get a ticker girl. Alone let me sweet, but me bitter bad. Still a thief, boy girl, you we been a rap. Weak friends, them a pray and a killer that. Hey, rock folk sing along. Spanish town want them medicine.
Salute! Spanish town. Same way. Same way.
Don't carry you remember where Jerry Dwayne. But she passed me the big belly 17.
Give thanks, give thanks, give thanks and praise to the mystic laws of the universe and its protective functions and forces in nature that guide our thoughts and our path in all ways that are lawful, correct, and positive. We do give thanks and praise. Holy I, give thanks and praise to the Most High, Creator of nature. Great uprising, grand rising, free people across the earth. First and foremost, I must say, salute the Spanish town. Yeah, man, salute the Spanish town. Salute the Spanish town courthouse. Salute to the people who work inside of the Spanish town bureaucracy, government building or government agency or government entity. Complete respect with power and honor. One of the things where I know for a fact is that when you get respect, naturally you have to reciprocate that respect. Again, when you get respect, when people humble themselves and show you respect, you have to, in turn, humble yourself. Yeah, man. And, reciprocate the respect. I went in court Friday and it was an interesting experience. It was a very interesting experience. And me have to say, credit to the prosecutor. Wasn't rude, out of line, disrespectful. Prosecutor dressed appropriate, look really business-like. Yeah, I commend the prosecutor. Now the resident magistrate, Madam, complete respect with honor. Yeah, man, complete respect with honor. Yeah. I now go. Well, I don't have much to discuss about the case. Everybody know the back and forth and thing, but this time, I see a huge difference. But I know say or the affidavit when I place on the court. And me intentionally never show that affidavit publicly because I never want to expose the mechanics that I place on the document, because people have a way of appropriating your information and, you know, naturally just take it for themselves without even say, salute, King man, I like that idea there, I like that information there, you know. Yo, say a chump changer to your office. Go and do your work. People will never do that. So, I naturally I become more reticent. I share information, show documentation, but you have certain things where ones will never get access to. Yeah. When them I get access to these information and when them I go talk to me personally and when them I go compensate me for my time, for my intellectual property, and for the effort where we are pushed forward. Yeah. Any workman is deserving of his hire. But we choose to share information freely. Because, you know, even though we have to work hard in applying ourselves to attain the information, we not mind to gift it freely to our people. And we now impose our information out there. This is why I have a platform, my personal platform, my own platform. Every single man have the very same option. You can turn on a platform and you can voice your opinion. The only thing I'll stipulate is that when you voice your opinion, make sure your opinion is, you know, backed up by facts. Yeah, so when a man go look on the information, specifically information where I share, even when I say it's my opinion or my point of view, all I'm gonna have to do is just try to verify the information and then I'm gonna discover say that information is solid, backed up by fact, backed up by truth. All of the information we push. We not talk loosely out here. And we not give loose opinions out here. And again, this platform is a platform where the Mickey Mouse ones, them will get lost over here. Yeah, the cross-dressing dunce people, them will get lost over here. You understand? So, I not expect no big gathering or no big following. Yeah, it's never that. It's like when me I step through the earth. Me not step with no gang, no crowd, no. You know, rare, no entourage. When I'm on a step, I'm on trample the earth one away. Yeah, man. Ask the people them in a Spanish town when them see me a trample through. One away. Ask the people them in the courthouse if me come and be rude, disrespectful, disruptive, or me carry a busload of people to create some kind of intimidation technique. Never that. It's just I and I ancestors with a surety that is used to facilitate commerce. So people, I enter that court not by myself, but I enter with my surety. And because I am the principal over that surety, then I am the attorney, in fact, who is authorized to conduct business on behalf of that juristic entity. People now have to forgive me. I not take the view where most people are take and I say all of these things. I not really take those views. I have a mind of my own. I'm a think for myself. Yeah, independent thought, independent thinking. So I not mind and listen to other people's point of view, but it not necessarily, you know, I got influence my actions, my plans, my you know, effort. Now I got influence. I'm not easily influenced by outside, you know what I mean, situation or state of condition. For affect me, I forget to my internal parts. Yeah. And that not easily done. So a man like me will never fail, because I not see failure, I not accept failure. Where a man I call failure to me is only a little temporary defeat, and all I do is regroup and come back stronger. Because it's an absolute victory. I cannot lose. It's impossible for I to lose when I'm on the correct side of the issue. When I'm on the right side of the issue, then, yeah, man, nature herself, you know, conform to all of my needs. You understand? not just my wants, all of my needs. Yeah, man. So I'm not gonna lie, the court setting was different. The court setting was a private setting, showing respect to the self-directing sovereign. Yeah, the judge was not rude, out of order. In fact, the judge was patient because I did test that judge. I did test her, and that's the very first judge that I saw that I was talking mess about. But me come back again and I say, oh, she's beautiful and all of these things. And yes, that's the very same judge. I won't even mention her name. Before I went in the court, I ascertained certain information. Because I have to ascertain her information before me even going to the court. But me not make nobody aware of that. And while I'm in the court, I kind of, after invoking the oath of office, I request her name and she never have a problem I give me it. However, I think it was just the last name she prescribed. But she was respectful. So it's just complete respect on my part. The moment them show respect for the human dignity as a man, then me have to reciprocate. It no matter make a difference who it is. It could be a police officer, it could be a soldier, it could be a street cleaner, it could be a man of unsound mind. For a man humble and show respect, I will humble and return that respect straight across the board. But I am excited, people. I'm extremely excited only because of the clarity what we have and the definiteness of our plan and how we learn to organize our thoughts. It's like me appropriate my first lady's brain structure. Cause my first lady a bright lady, man. Yeah, exceptionally bright lady. The ones I'm out there, we know. And very organized, very, and very beautiful spirit, and people will take advantage of that beautiful spirit. You understand? But I like the fact where, because we share minds, because it's not just my mind alone at work. It's more two or more minds. So I get to appropriate a lot of energy from my first lady. And may I tell you, it is a beautiful thing. Absolutely beautiful thing. Right now, me I forgot reach out to my council. Yeah, because we have some people where I'm on highly respect, them knowledge, them input, them opinion. And, these are the people where me I forgot contact. I got try contact these people. Sometime this week, I got try lay me on some of the ones them. I'm at an inconvenience because I'm not really have no net service inside of the house. Everything changed. Me not macho. I'm not the man we are going to talk about. I'm all of this when I'm not. No, my thing broke down from Babylon start interfere with my liberty. Everybody get afraid. Everybody scatter. The sponsors were used to sponsor my live and these things. Everybody withdraw themselves. So this is why when I see me I go live certain way. And when you see live, you have to see the streamline logo because everything are just free. And I have no issue. Because the other day, I walk up and down with over 200,000-300,000 in my pocket and nobody realize it. Nobody even know. It's just the people that I always share with. We say, all right, give thanks. So money, as it is, because there is no such thing out there now. It's only commercial paper, private commercial paper. It not stimulate me. And money not going to make me stand up as a man or cringe like a sissy. Money can't do that. It's only the small-minded people out there where without money, them cannot exist. So them will pollute, corrupt, and do everything that is wrong in order to attain money. So I say lightning, earthquake, and thunder on the illiteracy. Yeah, man, on the illiteracy. But I truly love the area where I'm there. I sit down in the park area there, and me I tell you, the ones them let me inside of one location, and I can get inside of the area, in the back area, and To a Sunday, the place so quiet and beautiful and peaceful, and me have a beautiful joy. I love it. I love it. Right now on the screen, you see me have a thing say equitable relief against the express terms of a contract. I just put it up. I don't necessarily want to jump in it right now because I'm still at work on it. But I just put it up same way for make the eye them know, say, you know, when I man speak, the eye them for just research it. You know, you don't need for challenge me, challenge the information. You don't need for like me, like the information. You don't need for hate me, hate the information. I'm just the messenger. You understand? I just share the information because I get it and the ancestors say, push it out there. Because if the ancestors now force me now come out here, truly. So from the ones them say push it out there and not care, I just push it out there and that's it. I not beg nothing from nobody. I not ask for nothing from nobody. And I not impose nothing upon no one. This is I platform. Yeah, man. So I am free to express myself accordingly. And you out there who this information does not resonate with, you know if you even look. Because you won't add nothing and you won't take away nothing from this movement. Because it is a movement. Yeah, man. And remember, our advocacy is freedom, freedominion, freedomain. None political. Fire burn on the political entity out there because it bring divide. We suppose we can exist harmoniously without a political, economical enslavement system because we are truly experiencing economical and political slavery. And this is a fact. I'm demonstrating it right in front of you people. I'm literally doing it right in front of you people. But I must say I'm excited because when I was in court, all along these people giving me the runaround. And when I was in court on Friday, it was the first time the judge direct the prosecutor to make sure so them have communication. Because within my document, I say, you can write to me, you know. I read that document. But you don't have to write under penalty of perjury. You understand? But you see through them, probably somebody there will catch on and I say, yo, don't play in a game with a little man there. Him have a way where I'm going aloof, but a trickery. Don't play games with him. So some way, somehow, something changed and they must choose to recognize my status as principal, not as no bomber blood clot slave. Not as no slave. As principal over the surety, which is an account, which is really our birthright, our hereditament, or inheritance. That's what it is. And that's my point of view. If I'm wrong, prove that. Don't talk. Bring your verification. This is where we are. This is at a higher level. This another Mickey Mouse YouTube blogger them will talk all kind of nonsense because them lack content. This is nothing like that. Some of these hungry belly YouTubers are hustle themselves on YouTube to make some money in order to maintain them existence. This is nothing like that. This is a grassroots, authentic area where we share valid information, we can correct people's notions or thinkings or opinions or point of view of what is going on. Nowhere else you get it like this. Absolutely nowhere. Not on the mainland, because those guys are too sophisticated. And not on this island, because we're too dunce around here. We just learn to read and write properly. And we just learn legalese. You get me? We just learn about etymology. So we're dunce around here, but we are apply ourselves and we are choose to improve. Step by step. Step by step. Again, equitable relief against the express terms of a contract. The Indian's status as principal over its own surety. You hear that? I'm an Indian. I man declare myself as Arawak Indian, where one we call Arawak Indian. Yeah, man. And I am proud to say that loudly. Yeah, man. Kind of the witness statement, Constable Andel Morgan, I said I was a leader of a Awak Indian nation. I never expressed nothing like that. Cause to act like that or even mention anything like that would be like me a show off. You get me? Me not have to say that. I am Indian naturally. And if you want to contest it, put it in writing under penalty of perjury and come into court. Because I'm not going to pay, you know. I'm not going to really pay. Really. And a time I master. Me not have a problem with time. Yeah, man, because me I learn to exercise a kind of patience when I'm normal. Yeah, man. Before I'm gonna far, I must say, boy, I get a dog bite yesterday. Some dog rush me, mad and mean. Brethren, I go running at the evening and just a easy walk and I walk exercise, but I cut through some little area where and I'm a normal area, but I'm familiar with the area them same way, because there is nowhere boy where I walk or run or ride. And some dog just start to rush. But true, me know dog will always be dog. I just ignore them and I walk same way. And I see some about two little old guy I do little mechanic work where look like them living in the area. I would assume them people would have run the dog them or something. The little man them don't do nothing. So while me I ignore the dog, a little white and brown one just come and nip at me. Clip, clip. I barely get a kick off him, when I just fling my foot and thing, but I never turn away when I could have really kick that dog to death. So I barely get a little bounce and run and through me have a little piece of steel with me, but I don't want big steel. Because normally I carry one big long steel and I could have fling it. Yeah, man, and itch it up in the dog. But the dog them get away. But I know I'll keep circling that area, because if I don't kill that dog will live a very long life. Yeah, man. So when the dog bite me, hear me to myself, where the mess this a come from? And right away my ancestors them said to me, caution warrior. Start exercise much more caution warrior. You need to exercise much more caution. Yeah, go on like say. So me I say, all right. Why we need to exercise caution in my area? I discover say a lot of things are going on when I'm supposed to go on in my community. The other day a lady tell me how, I should reach right there, so a car just pull over, and someone just jump out with gun pan her. She have to dash with her phone in her gully. Our cousin have to dash with her bag, her purse, but the purse must never go in the gully. So the boy them run go get the purse where dash in the street. A next incident, me here, my little shop right here, Sam Max, me here say is a car load about 5 man running. Beer gun and beer things. And me I say, wait, I walk go on. But I man notice when me I walk the other day, a couple incidents. A couple times me I walk and I see where a vehicle just slow down in front me and stop like it a wait a profile. But brethren, the ones that know me stepping up. Me not step with fear or itch, So me just a pep I go through. And I see the people them come, so back the brake light move and them take time drive away. And I man just walk in the direction where that thing I go, just to see who that car there is and who it I got to. Other occasions, similar thing, but it's like some ones they bout where them are choose to fuck with certain people. And the people might explain to me so that them guys are mask up. So the moment you see them mask up, see people from right within this area. And I think we need to correct these things. I don't think we need to broke out our place like that. And I think the new people them we are run from some community where is at war. And when them come in here now and them hungry, them, I look upon the people them here as prey. I don't appreciate that. And I feel like anytime a man like that get caught, him family forget wipe out. You know, I just judgment him. Make sure you kill out the family. So that can be an example. When a man a fuck up like that, you just go for him family and wipe that out. You don't care. And if the neighbor friendly to you, wipe it out. Because we don't want the fuckery. We're tired of it. And if we don't stop it early, it'll go fester and become just like what you see the government have out there. A big nasty corruption. A damn thing here go on in my greater Portmore area and I don't want it really blow up and get worse. You understand? So the warrior them out there need to start check higher too much other great things out here for do than for prey upon innocent people. Cause one night time, Don't feel like a victim. Man, we just want to know you and around there so you live, and that are your mama. You understand? And we just make an example. It have to stop. Because it's amazing to me if you see so much security people, police, soldier, all kind of mess living at Portmore and Greater Portmore. And them kind of take man can just loosely walk up and down with and a misbehave. We don't want it in a Portmore. We don't want it in a Greater Portmore. Keep that over Spanish Town. Keep that over Gregory Park. I don't even want it in a Waterford, because Waterford are my place. But a long time I don't there, so. But yes, I'm there in a Greats. And in my area, I don't want it, Rasta. I tell the eye them to bring it in front, me Rasta. And I tell you, police, I want to see me out here and know so me have to defend certain things. I want to come challenge me. I want to come war with me. Because I'm lawful in my capacity. And if them criminals are out here with gun, then we expect a righteous man to do. Come out with him in him hand. Can't do that. And I can't come with no bow and arrow. Because the man I'm going to laugh off of me with that. A rifle to rifle out here, my people. Gunshot for gunshot out here, my people. Yeah, man. Life for life out here. Violation for violation out here. We have to choose to become better. We have to choose to do the right thing. And when man and man not choose to do it, we have to deal with them savage. Yeah, man, we have to deal with them savage, man. Because that's the only example our road boy them know, you know. Them don't know no peace and love, you know. The road boy them will respect you when them know, so you will go cut off them mother head, and cut off them father head, and cut off them sister head, and cut off them brother head. And them thing that them respect, boy, yeah. When you give them love, them use the love what you give them and destroy you. So I totally comprehend the positive and the negative side of the energy. And it takes both for manifest life. It's just a matter of where you choose to nurture. And that going to manifest and grow. Yeah, man, but we don't want the garbage when I say I wake up. The other day a man prick me and I say some man violate. That's me. I feel beg the man. I say, yo, that's hold it, brother. Because more time man violate, but I don't like man mean it. Man just in a problem and, you know, a man just disrespect. So just hold it, brother. Nobody rare, because we same way. But you know, more time you talk to one, it I mean nothing. A man will say, yes, my king, yes, my king. Because me I tell us that the place around here get active. I don't know who, I don't know what. And I don't think of the ones them where I know. You get me? Yeah, man. So people need to open them eye round, yeah. And as I say, when I see the dog bite me, I know it as a caution. I hope me now rabies. I have to get 2 injections and make sure I'm good. But I not feel no kind of silly wheel still, you know. Everything balanced. Now again, we just there chant. I not really come out for come push too much of the knowledge per se. I just really want free flow and give thanks for the day. Yeah, and see it here 30 minutes because I don't want day out here too long, you know. But I just show off some information. I say, boy, we are prepared around here, you know. We don't underestimate, we don't feel like we are some sissy, you know. Yeah, man, it not work, you know. Because we not beg nobody nothing out there, you know. Period. Yeah, man. I work on some things, man. I can share the next thing when I work on right now, too. Because some go on, you know. Share next if I can find it. If I can find it. I work there again. Oh, I never ever save that mess. Let's see if it can come up. Yeah, man, I hit this. Go on a preview of my document for me I try put together. The caption area I got fix up still, you know. And me will eventually move the code clerk and thing, you know. So the court clerk is not really relevant until later. I can bring a claim directly to him for any actions or inactions when perpetrate. So this is a thing where me I say, yo, Linton O'Neill, Dallas plaintiff against A. Edwards and Andel Morgan. To defendants above named, you are hereby summoned and are required to serve upon the plaintiff an answer to the complaint, which is hereby served upon you within 20 days. I might make it 30 days and call it good faith, you know. After service of this summons upon you, exclusive of the day of service. If you fail to do so, judgment by default will be taken against you for the relief requested in this complaint. So we are kind of structure up some things, and even when them talk about court and me for come back next month, them can't do what them want to do. Me I go down in the Supreme Court now because me entertain the inferior area long enough. Plaintiff for this complaint against defender state and alleged. On Tuesday, the 2nd of May 2023, plaintiff was traveling in his automobile on a public road called Hellshine, Greater Portmore, St. Catherine, Jamaica, West Indies, when the defendants, employed by the state agency, unlawfully and intentionally interferes and injured the liberty of the plaintiff, which is a violation of plaintiff's natural, inherent, and absolute right guaranteed and secured by the common law of the land, which damage result as a legal consequence. Common law of the land, which damage results as a legal consequence. False imprisonment is a wrong akin to the wrong of assault and battery, and consists of imposing by force or threat an unlawful restraint upon a man's fundamental rights and freedom of movement. Them way there, you know. Let me see if I can share some more with you. Watch for me there, some can see that. They're outside on the light, you know, so the light I mess up the computer looking. Oh, boy, I love that area, though. Now shift down a little bit to see if it's a better viewing. The defendant asks plaintiff for state agency's document, which include driver's license. The plaintiff explains that he is not a licensee under any board or commission, nor is plaintiff a subject citizen of a political entity, political constituency, political jurisdiction, or political state agency. Plaintiff then present the defendants with a do not trespass notice and assert his West Indian nationality, heritage, and ancestry, and is therefore not required to be a licensee. The defendant insists the plaintiff must have a driver's license and other contractual documents from the state agency without explaining the consequence which may arise from the offer to contract with the state agency. Number 3, the defendant then arbitrarily, summarily, and unlawfully arrested, kidnapped, imprisoned, and seized the personal property in possession of the plaintiff without a warrant or a court order, and over the plaintiff's objection that the defendant's actions are a direct infringement, abridgment, and an abrogation upon the plaintiff's guaranteed rights and freedom of movement, protection from search and seizure, and the constitutional provision of due process or due course of law. The defendants, acting on their own accord without a warrant or court order or judicial review, had the plaintiff's automobile towed to an impound lot and put it on a hold order. 4, the defendants chose to ignore the no trespass notice, a US $1 million violation, Exhibit A, the certificate of fact of non-citizenship of Jamaica, Exhibit B, and the assertion of our West Indian nationality, heritage, and ancestry as Indians. The defendants were duly notified of the liability they shall incur for trespassing. The defendant has initiated the $33 billion estate fee schedule, Exhibit C, Also, the common law trademark copyright claim violation of US $500,000 per use, Exhibit F. The assessment to which shall be presented in short order. Ignorance of the law is no excuse. So I saw we have take time put something together. This is not necessarily what I got out there, you know. But just like when I created the affidavit, I probably create about 5 different documents where I have about 4 pages. And then me have to chop away everything for just make a 1-page affidavit. Yeah, man, a summer work. So probably a similar thing I do with this, where I go carry on the Supreme Court. But before I carry on the Supreme Court, I give them some notice. And I know them not going to respond to me, so they're going to default, and I'm going to take them over by tacit acquiescence. Yeah, man, when them stay silent, them acquiesce. But I like the fact where the judge herself, I said she want an email address from me, you know. Well, the court want, I guess them I choose now for do the right thing. But them I choose for do the right thing late. Them not going to have me a play a game all this time. And then when them feel like it's too late, brethren, me I move on now. Supreme Court area, different venue now. I might share this with you people. I didn't went to court alone. I went with my surety. And my surety was right there. One of the time I'd have to express to the judge said, this is a surety right here. I'm sure of the surety. You get me? The birth registration form. And then I'm sure a document where it has state. Affidavit say I am the principal. Yeah, man. And the attorney, in fact, acting as agent over that infant trust estate. I'm like the fact where at the first I said the judge takes so much notice and notice. One of the time, I know them and listen to me, you know. Because me and the judge I talk about insurance. Where is the insurance? Where is the insurance? That's what I tell us about. I'm sure it is right here. And the surety is here to substitute and stand in my shoes and take all responsibility for me. This is why my surety is here. You understand? So when the judge I said, what she say again? Something or the other she said. I don't want to get ahead because it was a beautiful exchange and nothing rude, nothing disrespectful. It's total respect. The judge kind of maintain her honor. The only issue I have is when me go into the court, she'll tell me so the police instruct me. Madam Judge, no police officer can instruct me to do nothing at all outside a contract. No police officer, no God. And when them have gun and say them are train, I'm too old now. And some of them young police here, when me a handle gun, them not born yet. When me a handle gun, them not born yet. Remember some grow in America where you go buy your gun and you go up on range and you do all the way you want to do. You get me? I'm in America from me about 17, teenager. And I can admit this. From me at 12, I think, in them time, the first time a man put a gun in my hand. You know who that and him dead? Colin from 7th Street, Cuba. Red Colin. Yeah, man. So we're not stranger to these things. And these things not impress with. We're going to see with it and we get afraid. Because no man no line with steel. And when I see my father dead, I know me can dead. And when I see the president of the United States dead, I know anybody can dead. It's how we choose to live. And that really count. And that really matter. Yeah, man. Boy, I tell you, we still have to give thanks. I don't know if I got a war. I probably can plug in this thing somewhere around here and get to upload this thing. I tell you. Yeah, man, people, look through it again. So I can share. Because I'm not going to everything. Well, this is not even half of it, you know. This is just the fixing up. The defendant brought the plaintiff to the Greater Portmore Police Station, where the plaintiff was imprisoned for an indefinite period, after which he was offered his own surety bond or own recognizance bond under threat, duress, and coercion to gain his release from the imprisonment. The defendants claim that the plaintiff's unregistered automobile, a non-commercial motor car, used exclusively for personal conveyance, is a criminal offense, which presents no victim with a verified claim of damage, injury, or bodily harm. The defendants made a legal determination to arbitrarily trespass upon guaranteed rights without a judicial review presumably learned people from the information make provision for regulation of motor vehicle, classification of motor vehicle, and then Part 4 say regulation of commercial motor cars and prohibits commercial motor cars except under carrier's license, and it makes provision for non-commercial motor cars. So even in the court when the judge talk about insurance, if me have insurance, me that make the judge know, say, boy, we can't talk about insurance until you talk about registration. You can't jump from the route and gone over upon the branch. The registration is the route. If I'm unregistered, then you have no talk. If I'm unregistered, you cannot speak. Broke the string TV. Complete respect. Salute, salute, salute. Gratitude for your presence. Yeah, man, if I have an unregistered vehicle, that means that whoever that state agency is, you have no jurisdiction the contract. And next thing, me have to talk to these police about. You got arrest me, and it's not a felony. It's supposed to be a misdemeanor because it's a traffic crime. You get me? Without a victim. Now, there is no breach of the peace. And this is why it's an unlawful stop, you know. You don't have no constitutional delegation to do what you're doing. You guys are, you're just like commercial vendors out there acting outside of law. And if somebody not bring this thing to bear and challenge you people all the way to the appellate court, all the way to the Privy Council up in England, then, you know, we're not going to continue like this. And a man like me can't lose. You can't defeat me because I not accept defeat. Nothing temporarily now going to influence me or dissuade me. This is an absolute victory because I'm right. You understand? The individual not owe no duty to the state. Absolutely no duty. And the individual not owe no duty to the public. Period. As long as they not trespass upon their right. And we live by the golden rules. We honor the golden rules. Do no harm. Yeah, man. I think I can leave it right there and wrap it up, you know. I don't want there all day. So we are going to say, you know, again, we just pass through. We just pass through and say give thanks. Salute out there to the Ian platform. Listen, me have my own private license plate and them people are take it away, brethren. That in 2019. This is not my first go around with these demonic people. You understand? It's not my first go around with the devils. Yeah, man, but I exercise no fear. Absolutely none. None whatsoever. Because I know, so boy, I may have the power to really decimate these people, irrespective of what them think them got. You get me? Somebody around there know, you know. Yeah, man. But again, me have to walk this walk where my people can see the walk. So I guess this is why I have this experience. Because most people can't express what is going on. Most people don't know where them inheritance there. Most people do not know where their birthright is. Most people don't know where their hereditament is because the agency of government known as the government of Jamaica usurp the people's fundamental rights and freedom. You understand? And I act like they are the masters over the people, when the people is the source of all commercial energy in relation to any kind of contract. I, the man, is the source of all of these energy. Now listen, people will say, yo, you can't do this and you can't do that. Jamaica is different from the mainland, and the people here on the island is a bit different from the mainland people. The mainland people, this is why I use the mainland as reference when I talk about law. You know what I mean? I'm Joy and them things when I talk about law, because them have a more extended history with these things, opposed to our little island nation, we have a corrupt political system with a corrupt political agency with some corrupt agencies there. Our place is a mess. Everybody a criminal in a prove to us and rebut our presumption saying they are criminals. But we can safely say 99.9% of the people operating in the government bureaucracy are filthy to them core, unapologetically. Corrupt. Corrupt. This is why our society is like this. Yeah, man. Filthy. Yeah. Well, you know it go. Sometimes them say the brave may fall, but never eat. Yo. You see the background, you see trees and life and Jah, no. Yeah. I have to wrap it up now still, cause me just, want to catch that energy, and I like the energy. I really like the energy. I like the fact where we are getting information with clarity and we can share it accordingly and appropriately. We like that. Cause I see, I always say if some man know the rights and I do the rights, we're gonna be alright. But two, we don't know what is right, we don't know what is law, we don't know, we're clueless, them spoil with. So a man quick to get up and bust him gun indiscriminately. A man will put on a mask and rob him neighbor quick and not care. Because he must say that, through him have on mask, the neighbor not gonna know him. And the one when I want to put on the mask will send them friend and bring hurt and harm to them very neighbors or them very close friend. And this is where we are live now. And right now, I say Greater Portmore look like it want broke out because people just are roam around with, all kind of machinery and I get beer trouble, and there's so much police when I do nothing at all. I don't understand it. And I bet you if me challenge one of them boy, I mash up two of them boy out in the street, police I come look for me and call me gang leader and bad man, and quick for try disappear me. But them now disappear them friend them where I get the troubles out there. We need to change the mentality of our people. We have to change the mentality of our people. It must change. It must change. Yeah, man, and if it not change, we are going to suffer the consequence right there. That's why I'm not like dunce. Because dunce people do dunce things. Silly people do silly things. Yeah, man, and upful people do upful things. Truly. Again, salute to our subscribers. Complete respect, honor, and power to our subscribers. Salute to the Awak Indian nation. All of these people who have seal. All of these people who touch base with I. Yeah, I did have to step away because this is what the journey is. And when we have case I deal with, we can't mix and mingle with everybody. But you see, now that I see things take another turn, I'm going to our next level now again. Because I don't think the Supreme Court area wants to say nothing on me. Me know that. Because, I perform in them Supreme Court without going there. So I'm quite sure them no want to see no documentation from me. However, them can't help it. And the public record, I got hear from us. Naturally. Yeah, man, the public record, I got hear from them. But yes, people, boy, I tell you, I not lie, I love that energy as a shame. I really love the fact where you can just get outdoors and sit in and hold that energy and give thanks and know. So yeah. Irrespective of the ups and downs, life beautiful and we have to make the best of it and live our best life. You understand? And our best life no mean say boy we are kill people or we have a bag of loose gal a fuck and things so we are gallis. You understand? Or we are rob people. Our best life I know say we have peace of mind. I know say boy we they are harmonious with everyone. It's like when me got through, it's like me heal everybody and everybody heal me. I talk to some people where other people wouldn't want to talk to. And when me and them chat and laugh, it's just so pleasant because them would have look for me and think, say, boy, me stuck up now talk to them. You see, all when me there in a Spanish town, it come like me there in my yard. I mean, me know so much people. As my pass, me say, Mama, long time me not see. What them used to live in other place still. And people move and go back which part them come from and all of these things. But yeah, man, we have to give thanks. Right now, I gotta just take a break and raga up again. Yeah, I gotta allow my grooming for a bit. Probably, yeah, take a year or, yeah, 1 month or 2 months what a year growth and then push up. Yeah, and then we just go into the bush, go isolate ourselves, you know? Yeah, man. There's nothing nicer than, the fulfillment of life when you can have peace of mind. There's not like peace of mind. Keep the money won't have no man and the material trinkets, but just give me peace of mind, and I'll be satisfied. Anyway, people, out there again, So the brave may fall, but never yield, and we say bold and brave. Firm and strong.
Just have girl strength. If a boy ever play with my mother and my niece, you will know I'm in absence. We no call that badness. Listen to the anthem. We no rate that. And we no beat up a man, we kill a raper. To all the place at me tell me sister don't wave to strangers. I'm a buy be a black car round and a pretty like Las Vegas.
Boy, I must say, me and my mother experience a beautiful relationship where I'm glad I come home and can experience them, this experience. Because more time your people and we have differences accordingly. But me I tell you, when it's smooth out, it's absolutely beautiful. Love my mother in people. Big man as I am, Love my mother, man. And give thanks to my mother, man. Because my mother wasn't a whore. Like some man will get some whore for them mother. So them can't like woman. Them can't like them mother. It's like them born out of bottom. Them not like vagina. Them not like women. You understand? It's like a pastime for them. And these are the kind of man where for them lifestyle is so unusual. But them we talk a lot of things out there. I give thanks for the inspiration of the Most High where I can stand up as man, because I know 2 man is the same. If I get sick and I need a body part, I can't look for any man and take a body part and add to mine. It won't work. So we are never the same. I comprehend these things. I won't be fooled. And I will never be an old fool like some of the old man them want to say out there were totally not have no sense. Them dunce like rat backed. Them just out of pocket for old man. I don't want that. Me not have a problem when me have to cuss and say, fuck off. And yeah, that is fine. But for live lasciviously or lasciviously, filthy, me not do it. You can't give me no peer pressure and say me need to have how much women. No, one is good for me. One at a time, one moment at a time. Yeah, man, I'm past 40, so I'm no longer a child. Like some of them big 90-year-old man here when I know them place and I know themselves. A time I gotta come still in people. Where I gotta have some youngster, I gotta just challenge some of them big old untidy man here and bust off them head. Yeah, man. You gotta have some youngster when not take the crap from some of them old man. You don't have to teach, man. You understand? And some of we have to be example. You understand? Some of we have to be that example, be that light. I give thanks when me not have a parent, as a man, Because I couldn't know how much I survive as a big man and live in some people's building and I pay rent and all these things, And I, man, from there foreign, man, I like the idea of living like a hotel me living in some building apartment. You can't get me living like that. No time. Salute to my two uncle them a foreign. Them man that own them houses. Salute to my brother around a foreign. Them man that own him condominium and houses. So when some man they around a foreign and say them a big man they for 10, 20, 30 years and pay rent in a building, on a lock on a chat, because I'm not ready yet, and I eat that. Yeah man, lock on a chat. And then you have some untidy, cross-dressing women out there where them give the most trouble and then them blame men. You have to stop that too. Stop that, man. Make we adhere to the moral laws. The moral laws. We teach you how to be upful. We say man and woman. How you gonna try jump in a man and woman business or in a them what them call it, matrimonial house, home, or them bedroom. You have some of them sodomite, you always I'll peep through people window. You have to wonder. You have to wonder. Wanna clean up on a act, man. Wanna do all fair behave like that, man. And it is distasteful and filthy. But again, when people have low IQ and can call words without reading with true comprehension, then this is where you get lightning out there for no bad behavior. Nah pet no, you know. Nah pamper. See me, that's a simple man. Nestorian king. That's a free man. One away. Yeah, man. You know, I go see me in a crowd and a body like me and everybody in a things and me and everybody and where.
Where?
Best way is Majesty's way. But I'm not alone. Yeah, with that energy where, you know, ancient. And me go get me, you know, the information what I need. So it's right now me have to use a lot of caution because from me get a dog bite, me have to start run with my big long piece of steel when me used to run with because me I tell the dog them nothing a brethren. And true me I ignore the dog because true you always pass dog and dog. I just and go to but me I go for the dog there still. It's just a it's gonna be fun for go hunt the dog them man. Yeah, man, and when I find him and give it to him, man, I want the owner say, let the owner ever say fair. Just like how nobody never run the dog them. Just say fair and you get it too. Public notice, you know, people. I always give notice, my people. And that's the law, you know. You give notice, so once no. And then after that. Anyway, it's a beautiful day. Full joy on life out there. Because I rise and give thanks, you know. Eat some solid yard breakfast. Yeah, man, some plant and banana, sweet potato. You know, them look away there. Yeah, man. I'm no wife, you know, I go around there, prepare for our things. So, you know, we give thanks for life, man. Simplicity is our sophistication. We not for hype like one. We really not for hype. All we have to do is apply ourselves and do the right thing and give thanks. Out there, free people. Salute for the time. Salute again for the moment, you know. Because it's only through love we can conquer everything and anything. Only through love, you know.
I've been searching for it. I've been searching for love to lead me to a peace of mind. I've been searching for it. Yo, active. Searching for it. But even my shadow left me when it dark. Yeah. So me not afraid of darkness. Anybody want go, them can go on. Talk to myself every day like me love.
Yeah, forgive me. This thing I got jump off here now enough, so. Beat my tune, man. What go on?
I've been searching for it. I've been searching for love.
Nah, go get my signal. Salute out the people. Gratitude again.